Hello, my name is Juan Mosqueda, and I'm going to introduce you to my family. My brother Jose and I. My brother is tall, he has dark skin, and he's the one that helped me enter Prepa en Línea. We are close and spend lots of time together. This day we were in church attending a conference. Next is my brother Martin. He's the tallest of us. He's around 1.92 meters. He's smart and knows how to fix many things. I love him very much and like talking with him about my goals and dreams. My next picture is from my niece Sharon. She is daughter of my brother Martin and currently she's 12. He usually spends the weekends with us and she enjoys eating pizza and watching Netflix. Next one is my niece Akemi. She is 5. She lived with us during a year almost. We enjoy having her around the house. She likes ice cream and going to the movies. Today she lives with her mom in Tampico. Hey to all of us, this is my family. Hope you like all of us. We are nice people. We are somewhat close, but we enjoy talking to each other many times. Bye.